All right, what is up? I'm going to just turn down the AC. It is hot today here in the GTA. It's over 30 degrees. Probably feels like about 35 out there. I apologize for the camera position, first of all, because that's just the way the lighting is this time of day, and otherwise you get big glare. So now you get my big head close up anyway. So today's topic request, it comes from a conversation that I had with a customer in our office the other day, and there's a lot of, sorry, I'm just trying to deal with the AC here. There's, make sure I don't sweat in this video. There's a lot of people that get targeted by credit card companies for their products. And haven't really gotten into this with you guys yet on the channel or on the Facebook page. So let's tackle this today, because students get hammered pretty hard by the credit card companies. And I'm often asked why. I was talking to this young woman the other day. I think she was in her mid-20s. And she was really confused. She did the, my parents really never taught me how to deal with credit cards. I'm unclear on what my options are. You know, they just gave me the card and I assumed that I could handle it based on the fact that why would they give me the card if I can't handle, making the payments? So, the conversation turned into why did this happen? Why did they target me? And everybody needs to take responsibility for themselves. They got to take responsibility for their own lives. They got to look in the mirror and say, it's all me. I got to take ownership. So I just want to set that clear first, because I don't want this video to be, oh, it's not my fault and let's lay the blame on somebody else. It is primarily your fault, but there's probably a lot of information that hasn't been given to you. So why do credit card companies target you when you're a student? It's pretty simple, actually. They're not targeting, retired people or 65-year-old people for their credit card products simply because they're retired. And the lifespan, the relationship that they can potentially have with that customer is a lot shorter. They know that if you're a student, they got you on the hook for life. Okay, it pretty much boils down to two things. One, they got you on the hook for the debt for life because you're young. You're going to live a lot longer than somebody that's a senior or retired. And two, they know that as a student, most students have the aim of, let's go to school, get my degree, enter the workforce, make money, and then buy stuff. Okay, we live in a world of let's keep up with the Joneses, and we want to impress everybody with our, fill in the blank, blah, 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 whatever it is. So we aim to buy stuff, and in order to facilitate the desire to buy these things, the home, the car, the pool, the finished basement, the whatever it is you need, you're going to need credit products from the credit card companies / banks. Because it's usually the banks and credit card companies that tie in their products together. So if your bank sends you an offer for a credit card with an introductory low rate for 6 months of whatever it is, fill in the blank, then what ends up happening is usually 6-7 months down the road, the introductory rate disappears, and so does any hope of you paying off any balance that you've accumulated on the card. They know they've got you on the hook for the balance now. Number two, they know that at some point in the future, if you can pay down the balance, they're going to start offering you other products, lines of credit, RSP loans, mutual funds, mortgages, car loans, consolidation products, home equity refinance loans. Hey, take a loan out against your house and put a pool in the backyard. You need a new roof, take this loan out. You want to finish your basement, sign over here. And then throughout all of that, they've got other products that they offer you, like insurance products. If you lose your job, they'll make the minimum monthly payments on, your credit card payments for a certain period of time, or your mortgage or something like that. I've talked about insurance products in the past, and you should know that it's very, very difficult to get the insurance products paid out when you need them. Our experience with our customers has been, but I thought I had insurance to cover the costs on this. But what they don't realize or remember is, well, the insurance is only to cover either one, the minimum monthly payments, or two, you had to jump through these, whatever it is, 17 hoops to get the policy paid out, which a lot of people don't do. They don't do in a timely fashion, or they don't provide the sufficient documentation needed to get them paid out. So that is in a nutshell why your credit card company / bank is targeting you for their credit products It's very profitable. You're younger. You're going to live longer. And they know they can sell you other shit in the future, from just being perfectly honest. So I hope that answers the question. Guys, the sort of stuff that I talk about on this channel and our social platforms is mostly things that the media won't talk to you about. They won't tell you about. The credit card companies, the banks don't want you to know. It's important information. Get it out there. Share it with somebody that needs to see it. If you're on Facebook, share it. If you have a question or a topic request for a future video, by all means, leave a comment below. Driving back and forth to the office, when I'm in the office in the morning earlier before the staff arrives, I'm happy to record a video. So leave your topic request below. Smash the like button. And subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Thanks for checking out today's video. I hope you have an amazing one. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.